Page 154, the G major scale. We've had the C major scale so far, and now we get G major scale. G major, well, go do my video on G major. I'll explain it all in there, but let's just cover it. G major has one sharp, and that's an F sharp. So on piano, we could go G to G. We could do all the white keys like we did in C major, except now for the F, instead of F, we need F sharp. So the notes are actually that. If we follow our whole step, half step pattern, it's the same pattern. Remember, that is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's the pattern for any major scale. Start on G and follow that. So we got whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And we get a G major scale. Go do my scale video on it, it's fine. They give you that stuff. I don't like using music when studying scales. I want you to be able to do this. As far as the fingering goes, it's the same kind of fingering we did in C major, except instead of starting on C, we're starting on G. So the right hand is like the 1, 2, 3, 1, just like we did in C major. Same thing here. And the left hand's the same. You started here in C major and you went up to 3. Well, here we're going to start on G and you go up to 3. It's the same fingering, so yeah, you can go watch my scale video on G major. Do the beginner portion, the trill exercise and the accents and the wrist, working the wrist, everything I explained in that video. Let me know if you have questions. On page 155, they give you the 1 octave G majors, and then at the bottom of page 155, you get the contrary motion. I don't do contrary motion at this point, but if you want to try it, again, it's easy except for the black key, because you're doing the black keys at different times. Because here on G, if I start here, I have a black key immediately on the left hand, but the fingering, you're using the same fingers. In my opinion, you don't really need that right now. Just parallel motion, where they're going the same direction, you need that.